Well, hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this video is for you who is trying to fold all your clothes. As you guys can see, I have two here and one here, so I have three baskets full of clothes to fold. So last week I've been so busy, I didn't have time to do anything. Like, I did the laundry, but I didn't have time to sit and fold the clothes. What's happening right now is the kids are sleeping, I'm eating dinner, okay, and I am also folding the clothes, so I'm in the kids' bedroom, so I'm gonna start with theirs. These two are theirs. They have so much clothes, you guys, and this is me and my husband. So I'm gonna start with these two and put it in their room, and then fold back and fold these ones and put them back in this basket and go downstairs and put it where they belong. So take a moment to pause this video so you can like and share and comment and let me know what you guys think, and if you guys know if you think I should make more videos like this. And also I want you to get up and get your laundries and start folding with me, okay? So that's the purpose of the video. If you're laying down, come on girl, get up, let's do it together, okay? So I want to do that more often. Whenever you guys want me to do that, tell me. You guys are really good at telling me stuff, especially on Instagram. I see your text messages, I see everything, so thank you guys so much. But right now, let's start folding, okay? Okay guys, so I am done folding for the kids. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is to put them back exactly where they belong so I can have less work to do. So yeah, okay guys, so this is Isabella's drawer. So I'm gonna put all her stuffs in here. I put all the tops in one place, and these are only tops and a couple of dresses. Well, okay guys, so this is where the pants and the underwears, they go, like these underwears and pants and all. So I cut it in two. Half is for Isabella and the other half is for Eliza. So these, I know it's for Eliza and these are for Isabella. So Liza's pants are going on her side, okay, and we're gonna put Eliza's stuffs up there in her drawer. And the rest is, I'm going to hang them. So put the dress and this one, they both have the same top. So this one is for Isabella and this one is for Liza. And I also cut it in half. This other half here is for Eliza. So most things that she won't be using are like all the way down here, so I put them in the back. So these two are empty. Kids' clothes are completely done, and you guys just saw me, I put them back where they belong. But right now I just emptied this one because I have to fold our clothes and put them in there so I can go back downstairs and put it in our room. So guys, I feel so tired. I think I've been folding for at least 20 minutes now. I know, so I think I want to give myself 10 minutes to finish all of that so I can go back downstairs and cook dinner, okay? So let's get started, you guys. here and awake.
Yes, I'm
Uh-huh. So we're gonna go downstairs, okay, and put these clothes back where they belong. Ready?
here.
Okay, let's go then.